All right, so here's the plan for how to get AC in the shop to work. It has nothing to do with traditional AC. It's actually more akin to a swamp cooler, but I'm actually not swamp cooling or evaporatively cooling the air that goes into the shop. I'm actually using evaporative cooling to chill water, which will then chill an A-frame in here, which I draw air across, okay? So there's a fan that will sit here with a small motor, and I will trickle water along the outside of this. The fan will pull a draft all across these coils. As it pulls a draft across the coils, some of the water will evaporate. When water enters a phase change, there's an enormous amount of energy transfer represented in that. It will cool the heck out of the coils, which will then cool the heck out of the water being circulated, which will then be pumped over to the A-frame in here. I'll show you where I'm going to put the A-frame. The A-frame will go right there with some ductwork. So whenever I pull the air out, the hot air out of here with ventilation, whenever I pull the hot air out of here, it will pull a draft across the A-frame down there and pull air from outside, most notably like the colder portions of outside. That side of the shop doesn't get direct sunlight. It's the northeastern side of the shop. So when I pull fresher, colder air from outside across the chilled coil, I will be replacing hot air up there. And that's how deferred evaporative open loop cooling systems will work. And to my knowledge, I haven't seen anybody doing that. I've seen plenty of swamp coolers in my days. They suck. They just use a lot of, they put a lot of humidity in the place they're trying to cool, and that is not comfy for us humans. So, yeah, that's kind of the operating principles of what I'm trying to do in here.